Dana here, and welcome to our vlog. And it is currently January 11th, 2017, and this is Project Escape. Well, if you can hear in the background how crappy that sounds, that's because I got the coil issue again. It's been great for a month now, since we went down below freezing, and now we're back above freezing, and now I got a bad coil issue again. So definitely when you get a hot coil, the bad coil is going to show up. So I'll be fine as long as it goes down below freezing again the next couple of days. And I'll have to deal with it come spring. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you've got an issue like this. And I've got 3 spares on tap. The only problem is I got to pull the intake. So, but I got all the intake gaskets and everything to do that come the time. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and we'll catch you on the next Project Escape. All right, and I've just gotten home. You hear how it means I'm only running on, I'm missing a cylinder. Pain in my butt. Can't wait for it to go back down. Go back down to 0 on us, and I'll be good. Yeah.